and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I have a really fun video. This is going to be a really quick video, but it's about this hack that's been going viral. I want to say viral, but you know what? If I'm honest with you, I've only seen 2 videos on it, so I don't know how viral it is. But what it is to make your cheap $1, £1 eyelashes look hella expensive. And you know what? I'm gonna show you how to do it, but it works. So I went to Poundland. I picked up some lashes from Poundland. I picked up some lashes from PRIMARK, obviously for £1, and then I tried some that were a little bit more expensive, so £2.70 from SUPERDRUG. And I've got these lashes right here, guys. Honestly, from what they look like normally to how they are after this trick, you can get them looking really wispy. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's just get quickly into the video. So you're going to start off with just your cheap lashes. I'm going to start off with the PS PRIMARK Dramatic False Eyelashes. If you look at these lashes, would I wear them like this? Absolutely not. They're too spiky. They look very kind of synthetic-y. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a spoolie. Yes, just a spoolie. The ones that you can get from from like makeup shops. And we're just going to start going ham on these lashes. We're going to rub back and forth. We're going to practically, it feels like you're destroying them. If I'm honest with you, you don't feel comfortable doing it. You feel like you're really going to ruin the lashes, but I promise you, you are not going to ruin them. You just want to keep going back and forth. What I like to do, and I found, is holding the band, like the strip band, and then really going in, rubbing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Your lashes will look bomb. Like you can see here, from what they used to look like to what they look like now, and they look so much more expensive. So here I am doing the same technique with some SUPERDRUG lashes. These were £2.70, so again, really cheap and affordable. But I wouldn't really wear them before, but after, they look really wispy, which I love, and I would wear them. These lashes are actually from Poundland now, and they look like this. They're not too bad, but they're not amazing. And just giving them a quick rub through, just with the spoolie again, they look so much more wispy. I love them. I think they look really cute, and here you guys are. That is the trick. It's so simple and so quick. Okay guys, so that is it for this quick hack. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Do you know what? When I saw this, I went for my drawer. I was like, where are all the cheap lashes? I need to try this I need to try this experiment out. And you know what? It really does work. Like these PRIMARK lashes, you can see the difference. I wouldn't wear them before, but I would definitely wear them after. They look a lot wispier. They look a lot more expensive. Let me know what you think of this hack down below in the comments. And if you like videos like this that are really super quick, just a couple of minutes long, then let me know that down below in the comments section. Stalk me on my social handles. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.